Hello everyone, welcome to Mercie J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith and I co-own the shop with Michael Glandon. In today's video, I'm going to offer a little bit of advice for those who have just graduated from a technical school. And my advice is the things that you need to consider as you look at all those job opportunities you're going to receive. Right now, we have an immediate opening for a general service technician. So if you're interested in that, check out the couple of other videos we have related to that. Now, first of all, I want to say, if you've graduated from an automotive technical school, you are in high demand, so congratulations. Now, you're going to get all kinds of offers, and you need to consider how much money they're offering and what kind of requirements are for the position, how many hours you're going to have to work, that sort of thing. But what I want you to not overlook is what opportunity is in front of you as you take this position. So one of the common positions that's offered is a pre-delivery inspection. If you get offered that, you're not going to get much of the experience you want. So if you get offered that position, make sure it's temporary and make sure there's a timeline on how long before you can move up from there. The second would be a general service technician. And that's a great place to start, but the one thing you want to find out about that is it strictly oil changes, or are you going to be able to have some experience on some other things? If it's strictly oil changes, you're going to enjoy it at first, but you will get burned out in a fairly short amount of time, and then you're going to want opportunities to do other things and grow. So it can be a great spot, but make sure it's not just oil changes. An apprenticeship is awesome. It's a great opportunity to learn lots of things and get mentored. There's two things that can happen. One is you could be put in a shop independently as an apprentice, or you could work under the tutelage of a technician. Working by yourself, that can be a little bit stressful. But if you're under somebody, just find out, are they a specialist, or are you going to be able to learn all the parts of the car? I have to tell you that most of my career, I've been thrown into bays, and then I've basically been told sink or swim. So the next thing you need to look at is what's the culture of the shop. If you can, go talk to some of the employees. Find out what the culture is. Some shops have a great team environment. Other ones are like the ones I talked about where you're just thrown into the bay. And if the shop is focused on the individual's productivity, then it's probably going to be a dog-eat-dog world in that place. So I hope this has been some good information for you, and I want to congratulate you on being in such high demand. So I want to encourage you, keep your eyes wide open, look at what your opportunities are, and then go out and prosper. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.